Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
She read the book last night. They had dinner together yesterday. He watched his favorite movie last week. We met our friends at the party last weekend. I bought a new phone 2 days ago. The kids played soccer after school. She brushed her hair before going out. They drove to the airport early in the morning. He finished his homework late last night. We booked our tickets online last month. The teacher gave a quiz during class. She sang a song for her friends. I had a great time at the concert. They cleaned the house yesterday afternoon. He helped his sister with her homework. We watched a movie last night after dinner. The cat slept on the couch all evening. She bought a birthday gift for her brother. He rode his bike to school yesterday. We washed the car before the road trip.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning